Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can I redeem SoFi credit card rewards for cash? The straight answer is yes, you absolutely can redeem your SoFi credit card rewards for cash, but there's a key detail: it must be redeemed into an active SoFi account. SoFi credit card rewards are earned as points through their member rewards program. You can then choose how to use those points. Your cash redemption options typically include, first, as a cash deposit into your SoFi checking and savings account. Second, as cash into your SoFi active or automated invest account. Third, you can also redeem the points as a statement credit toward your SoFi credit card balance, which acts as a form of cash back on your bill. Another option is to apply the rewards as an extra payment toward an eligible SoFi loan, such as a SoFi personal loan or student loan refinance. To redeem your points, you will log into your SoFi account, navigate to the rewards section, and select your preferred redemption method from the options available to you. It's important to note that generally, SoFi rewards points are not directly transferred to an external bank account, but rather into one of your existing SoFi accounts, making it accessible to you. Always check the current terms and conditions within the SoFi app or website, as redemption values and options can be updated by the company. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.